Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to do a ham. And we're going to do it in the Sous Vide. It's so Sous Vide. So, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen, and let's begin cooking. Good looking. It's so Sous Vide. That's right, it's Sous Vide time. And today we're gonna sit there and do a ham. That's right, I said we're gonna be doing a ham. So normally I'd be sitting and telling you to sit there and take your meat out of the packaging and go ahead and put it into one of your food saver bags. But this time, you don't have to do it because usually these hams come that way for you. So all we have to do is simply just pick this up and put it into a big tall pot full of water and turn on our Sous Vide. Alright, let me sit there and grab our ham. Here's our ham. Now, like I said, I'm just going to sit there and place it right down inside of our kettle. Now, I'm going to come up here and we're going to sit there and set the temperature for 140. And then we're going to set the time for 3 hours all the way up to 8 hours. And then just turn it on and I'll see you in 3 hours. Okay, the Sous Vide maker has sounded off, so let's go ahead and take our ham out. And I have my small little meat slicer out. My husband's after me to bring out my big meat slicer. Well, maybe one of these days I might take his advice, but until then, we use a little guy. And I'm going to sit there and I'm going to shave up some of this ham for some sandwiches. Now, I must tell you, this was not dried out at all. It was some of the moistest ham that I have ever had, and it was tender and oh so delicious. So be sure to try some today, and you be the judge. Sous Vide, that was so Sous Vide. That's how easy it is to sit there and make this ham. And as you see, I just went ahead and I shaved it all up because we're going to sit there and have sandwiches. Now you could sit there and use this for subs. You could sit there and use this for scalloped potatoes and ham. You can use this for many of things. But as you see, how beautiful the ham looks. And believe me, we've already taste tested this and we couldn't keep our hands off. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings to y'all. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you always know every time I do put on a new video. And y'all come back now, you hear?